திமுக பொதுச் செயலாளர் செல்வி ஜெயலலிதா 8வது நாளாக இந்த பரப்பன அக்ரஹார சிறை வளாகத்தில் தான் தற்போதுள்ளார். இந்த கர்நாடக சிறைத்துறை டிஐஜி திரு ஜெயசங்கர் உள்ளார். அவர் சில கருத்துக்களை அவரிடம் நாம் தற்போது கேட்போம். சார் வணக்கம். Ms. Jayalalitha being former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, what are the special facilities provided to her?
No facilities is provided according to jail manual we are doing.
Okay. How is health condition now?
Health is stable. His sugar is normal and his BP is normal. Everything is normal. She is perfectly all right.
What is your daily routine during past 1 week?
Daily routine means what? Tell me.
The day-to-day life, morning to evening.
Morning she is taking a PBS and after PBS and is taking a breakfast.
Okay.
And normal things as usual. What she is doing in Tamil Nadu, same thing we are doing according to jail manual.
Okay. So there were reports that she has been allotted a room in first floor.
No. That is a wrong information. When Madam Jayalalitha, former Chief Minister, when they entered into the jail female barrack, what that room is given, the same room is continued even today.
Okay, sir. Is there any chance of her being shifted to prison?
No. To Tamil Nadu, yes. That is left to the court.